When your Hisense air conditioner remote stops working, the problem is usually related to batteries or signal interference. Let's systematically troubleshoot these common issues. Battery problems account for 60% of remote control failures. Look for these warning signs: dim or no display on the remote screen, intermittent functionality, or reduced operating range. To replace batteries properly, first, use high-quality alkaline batteries rather than generic ones. Second, ensure correct polarity alignment. Positive and negative ends must match the markings. Third, clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. The battery compartment is typically located at the bottom of your remote. Remove the cover and inspect for any white or green corrosion around the contacts. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, test the infrared signal. Use your smartphone camera for this simple test. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see a purple or white light flashing on your phone screen. The infrared LED is located at the top of your remote. If you don't see any light during the camera test, the LED may be faulty and the remote needs replacement. Next, test the operating range. Start close to your air conditioner unit, about 1 to 2 feet away, and gradually increase the distance. The effective range should be 6 to 8 meters for most Hisense models. Signal interference can disrupt remote operation. Common sources include direct sunlight, fluorescent lighting, physical obstacles between the remote and unit, and other infrared devices. Ensure a clear line of sight to your air conditioner's receiver. Remember, infrared signals require direct line of sight. The signal travels in a straight line from your remote to the air conditioner's receiver. Any obstruction will block the signal and prevent proper operation. These troubleshooting steps resolve 92% of remote control issues. Start with battery replacement and contact cleaning, then test the infrared signal and check for interference. This systematic approach will identify most problems quickly and effectively. When battery and signal aren't the problem, mode conflicts are often the culprit. Auto mode can create conflicts that prevent your remote from working properly. First, reset your air conditioner to manual mode. This overrides any auto mode conflicts and gives you direct control over all settings. Timer settings can also interfere with normal operation. Even if you don't remember setting a timer, these functions can remain active and block other commands. Clear all timer settings by pressing and holding the timer button, or look for a timer cancel function. This removes any scheduled operations that might be interfering. Child lock activation is another common issue that prevents remote changes. This safety feature can be accidentally enabled and will block most button presses. If the remote still isn't working, test the air conditioner's receiver by using the manual buttons directly on the unit. This helps determine if the problem is with the remote or the air conditioner itself. Power cycling the air conditioner can reset its internal systems and clear any communication errors. Turn off the unit completely, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. As of 2025, many Hisense models support smart remotes and mobile app control. These alternatives can provide advanced diagnostics and bypass traditional remote issues entirely. Remember, proper troubleshooting resolves 92% of remote issues without needing a replacement. Following these systematic steps will solve most problems you encounter.